Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys lava phone setting friends, and today video title is guys how to stop talkback. Friends, you want to stop talkback on your lava phones, so how to stop talkback. Today friends, I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, you have got this talkback setting, and friends now you want to stop. So how to stop talkback now, let's see. First of all guys, you will have to use your two finger, then guys you can scroll your screen guys easily. And guys, if you click on any icon, so guys you will have to double tap, one tap and double tap to close the app. So guys now we will scroll with two finger, and we will click on phone setting with one finger. Then guys double tap continue friends, double tap continue to stop always to stop talkback. And guys now click on guys any setting. Again scroll guys with two finger guys, one finger guys don't use, you cannot stop guys your talk back. So guys use your two finger guys, scroll it and then click on guys your top, your intelligent assistant guys, one tap and guys double tap here. Friends again scroll with your two fingers. Friends you can see accessibility guys, one tap here and guys double tap. Friends you can see guys talk back guys, one tap here and friends again double tap. As you can see, use talkback guys, one tap and guys we will double tap here. Stop talkback, and guys you want to stop guys, double tap and guys your talkback will stop. Guys don't one tap, continue guys two tap, then guys your talkback will stop. Talkback off. So guys your talkback will stop on your lava phone device easily friends. You can use your phone without any talkback setting. So I hope friends you understood how to stop talkback on lava phone. So bye guys, we will meet on next video friends. Do you have any doubt related to guys your talkback setting? You can ask me comment section guys, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.